Hi, today we're going to see a method that can really remove superglue stains on fabric. A few months ago, I already did a video on this thematic by using a combination of soapy water and acetone. Most of the superglue on top of the fabric was gone, but inside there was still a hard spot left in the fabric. And so, as I wasn't fully satisfied, I continued my search for the perfect method, and I found this product that's supposed to remove superglue from a lot of different materials. So today we are going to try it out on fabric as well as some other materials. So we'll start with the fabric, and actually these are the same pants I used in my last video. So we can really make a comparison between the acetone and the special products. And to use it, we'll just have to apply it on both sides of the stain and let it sit for a few minutes. After leaving the solvent do its job, it actually did make the glue softer and I was able to remove it. So I did 3 passes, and after that I washed out the fabric to remove any of the glue that was left. And here is the result. I am actually quite impressed because there is no hard spot left in the fabric. It's really soft, and also visually, well, yes, I managed to damage the fibers because this is a really cheap fabric, but for what comes to the stain, well, it's gone, and I am really impressed and happy. Also, let's try it out on a different fabric. This is linen, and here, after leaving the solvent do its job, I was able to scrape it off with some tweezers. Again, really impressed. But now let's also test out this product on some other materials, like some tool handles, a bit of anodized aluminum, some bamboo and skin. So we'll start with the skin, as I feel it's one of the most common problems people have when using superglue. Here again it works, but it's really slow. Each time you make some progress, you'll have to reapply some product, wait for a few minutes, open your fingers a bit more, reapply product and re-wait. So it's quite a slow process, but at least it does not hurt at all. And also, once I was done, I was able to rub my fingers between them and actually remove most of the superglue stains that were left on the skin. But now when it comes to the other materials I tried, I wasn't able to see any significant improvement compared to acetone. Yes, it does work, but it takes a lot of time. So with this being priced €9 and me not being sponsored, would I suggest you to buy it? Well, for materials like fabrics and skin, this does have an advantage because the result will be much cleaner than using acetone. So for those 2 materials, yes, I do recommend it. However, for €9 you can also buy 1 liter of acetone. And well, as we saw with the other materials, this does not really have an advantage compared to acetone, so for any kind of easy stain to remove, I would just use acetone and not bother with this, as it is a lot more expensive and also a lot slower. If you enjoyed this video, please consider leaving me a like and subscribing down below. It will really help out the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.